Hello all, today we'll see how to draw the projection of solid question on AutoCAD. To start with, very first thing when we start AutoCAD, we set the units. So first units, here you will specify it as millimeters and say OK. Then second thing what I can do is, I can just set the area in which I'm gonna draw. So for that I'll prepare a rectangle, so RECT for rectangle and hit enter button. It will ask you lower left point and upper right point. So I can say it is 0, 0, 0, 0, and other corner I say 400, 600 or 600, 400. We have got that rectangle, but that is not visible here. So for that what we can do is we can zoom, Z for zoom, enter, A for all. So zoom enter, all enter, that is Z enter, A enter, you will get that rectangle here. Once you get this rectangle, very next thing is you should check that your ortho mode is on and your OSNAP is on. In OSNAP you can just select the points whatever you need for drawing. Other points you can just keep off. You can just tick and untick for the same, and just this will disappear. Now next thing is we will prepare the layer, because we want to use multiple lines for drawing the projection of solid. So for the same you can go to the layer properties. The menu will open. You can go to the new layer. You will create multiple layers. First is suppose object line. Color you can select, suppose yellow. Line is continuous, and line width I can consider as 0.4. Say OK. Then one more layer we want, suppose projection line. So projection, you can select a color. This is the blue color I am selecting for this. This is again a continuous line, and line width will be very minimal, so 0.05. Then next, hidden line. The color you can select for identification again, so maybe green color. Then line type, now that won't be continuous line, that will be a dash line, so you can load it from the library. So dash 2 you will select from here and say OK. You can select it from here and say OK, so it should appear here as dash 2. Then line width you have to select 0.30. It will be less than object line and greater than projection line. Then one more line what you will need is center line. You can select the color for the same, maybe red. And again you need a center line which is not available here, so you will load it from the library. So just like what we did for dash line, here also we will select center 2. It will appear here. You can select from here, and here it should appear as center 2. And line width for the same we can consider as 0.25, little less than hidden line. Once it is done, you can just close this. Now all the layers what you have created will be appearing here directly. So I can consider a projection layer first. To start with a projection of solid, very first thing what we will need is to draw the XY plane. So I can just draw one line here. So here this will be your vertical plane and this will be your horizontal plane, right? So now to start with, suppose we solve a problem on pyramid, or more specific, hexagonal pyramid. So question goes like, hexagonal pyramid with base side 30 mm, axis height 70 mm, resting on HP. So whenever it's a pyramid, the face is triangle, base is for hexagonal pyramid, hexagon. So now it is resting on HP, so base will be going in HP and face will be going in VP. So very first thing what you can do is you can select a polygon from here, or you can just get from here as well, draw polygon. It will ask you number of sides, so 6, enter, and here I'll select edge, not center. So edge, first edge point is this, and distance I'll type 30. So with 30 dimension we got a hexagon here. Once you get that hexagon, I want that to be an object line, so I can convert that into an object line and just move it on. This you can do just by cut paste. Once it is done, I'll just turn on the line width so that I'll able to see the line thickness difference. Once it is done, then what next I'll do is I'll select the object layer now and will join all the points, all the corners to get the apex. So if I join, automatically intersection of these three lines will form the apex, that is basically the axis point. So after that you will go to again projection layer, you select the line command from here, you can take the line till this, again from here to here, enter, again you come back to the command and thus. Once it is done, then you can select the center line, line command, and the height given is 70. So on this side I can go for 70, hit enter, you got that. Then I can go to the object layer, select a line command. From here I come here to this point, then to this point, and then to this point. And one more line will be coming here, because this line will be visible if you are looking from this side. So this is the first view what we got. We'll just increase the viewing area for you. So this will be the first stage for us. Now next thing in the question is given, it is I'll repeat the question. The hexagonal pyramid with base side 30 mm, axis side 70 mm is resting on HP on one of its triangular face. Now when I say the pyramid is resting on one of the triangular face, means this is the triangular face actually we are going to consider, this three lines, right? Because this will be the base line, base edge, and these will be the vertical edges which you can see here. So this triangle here is nothing but this line, so I just need to just rotate this particular triangle so that this line will touch the XY line. So for to do the same, what I can do is I can go to the modify, can say copy command, then can select this triangle, hit enter, take a base point, suppose this is the base point, and move it for maybe 70 mm. We'll repeat it. Modify, copy this thing. You can double click to select multiple lines at one go. Then hit enter. Suppose this is the base point, you are moving it on this side for 70. Hit enter. Done. Now next thing is to rotate this triangle so that this line will be matching with XY line. To do the same, what I can do is I can go to the rotate command, rotate, select, again double click, and just rectangle will appear, and you can then select the triangle. The object is selected, so hit enter, select base point. About this base point, suppose we want. Now we will not rotate it with respect to angle, but with respect to reference, because we have a reference of this line with respect to this line. So for that I'll select here reference, then For reference, these 2 point identifies one line and you have to match with this line. So automatically you got that, right? If you want, you can always shift this on this side. So move this 50, enter. Modify, move. This is the best point, and suppose here. So that is shifted. Now you can get the fourth figure. To get the fourth figure, what we can do is you can go to the layers again, you can select the projection line and you project all the lines down. So from here you go down till this. So click here and just click outside here for this point to this point, then from this point to this point, then from here to here, from here to here, then here. All the points you will project on this side. So like this you will get all the points. Once it is done, then you will join the points. Now to join the points, again I will just go to the object layer, line command. So I'll start from here. Now tell me, now if I'm considering this point is for these two. If I'm considering this point, this is here and this is for these 2 points. And if I'm considering this point, this is here and this is for these two. So in that sense, this is coming out to be here. So from here to here I'm joining, then here, then here, then here and here. Outermost points basically we have joined like this. Hope you understood how we did it. Now these 2 points are here, so the line will be this middle line will be for these 2 points. So you project this point here and this point here, so you got 2 intersecting points there. Similarly, this point is for this, so you project it, so you got intersection here. For these 2 points, this is the point, this is here, so you can get these 2 points. We have not joined these 2 points earlier because those are inside. Those points are inside. What we do is you join outermost points. Once it is done, then in the simple thing you can understand that if you're looking from the top, the base will be visible. If so, then directly you have to draw complete base here. So in that case, this will be drawn, this will be drawn. Now, if you are looking from this side, since the base is visible, automatically this edge will be visible. This edge will be visible. And what about the edge starting from this point to apex and this point to the apex? Those will be hidden. So for that you can go to the layer command, you can select hidden layer, draw line command from here to here to here. So you got the figure here that is in second stage. Hope you got it. Yes. If you have not understood, you can always put the names for the points and then you can do it. For that, what you can do is you can just type text, hit enter, select any point, specify height. You can specify height. Maybe suppose 5 is the height. Enter. Angle is 0. And you can just type the text what you want. Suppose this is A. So you can type A. If it is done, just click outside. So A has come. Then B. Then if this is done, you can click outside C. Then click outside D. What? E. Similarly F. Similarly A dash, B dash. click outside, then C dash, outside D dash, then click outside E dash, F dash, then O dash and O. So whatever points we want, we have taken it. Once it is done, just click outside and hit enter. So the names are created. So you can just provide the names for the figure. Now, for example, this O, you select one by one, Control X, Control V. You want that O to be here, so that O has come here. For this, you can just, for a time being, you can just keep off your O snap. Now, Control X, Control V, suppose this is A, then Control X, Control V, B, Control X, Control V, suppose C, then Control X, Control V, D, Control X, Control V, suppose E, Control X, Control V, F. So accordingly, whatever names you are given here, same names will be coming here. So first O dash, Control X, Control V, O dash will come here. This is AF. So this point will be for A dash, A and F. Now, so A dash, Control X, Control V, and F dash, Control X, Control V. Similarly, this point is for B and E. So Control X for B and E. You can put it here. Then this point is for C and D. So C, D. Once it is done, now same naming you can do it here as well. So I can just copy O dash, this copy, this is AF, copy, this is BE, this is CD. So the points have come. Now I'll just repeat this thing for you. Now I can just provide the names for the points. Now this is O coming here. From here the O is coming, so I can just take this O here, copy V. So O will be coming here. Now A is coming from here, A is coming from here, A is coming from here. So automatically copy V. A will be here. Then F is here. F is copy. It is coming from here. It is coming from here. So the F will be this point. Then B, copy. It is coming from here. B is coming from here. So Control B. B will be this point. Then C, copy, coming from here and coming from here. So this will be the point. So this will be C point. Then D coming from here and coming from here. So this will be the D point. Then E, copy, coming from here and coming from here. So this will be the E point. Now again we'll do the same thing. I will go for object line, draw line command, outermost point you join. So I just turn on my or O snap from here to E to D to C to B to O. Now next, as I said, if you are looking from top, base will be visible. In that case, you will able to see the base completely. So all base points will be visible to you. So I'll just join the base. Now for point F, since two lines are visible, automatically third line will also be visible. So I can just join that line. Same happens to be with A. And two hidden lines, what we discussed earlier. So hidden line command from here to here to here. Now, next thing what question says, I'll repeat the question again. Hexagonal pyramid with base height 30 mm, axis height 70 mm is resting on HP on one of its triangular face such that the base edge containing the triangular face is 30-degree inclined to VP. Base edge containing the triangular face is 30-degree inclined to VP. Means what? This is resting on triangular face, this we got. So now the triangular face what we consider is OCD, that is this line and this triangle OCD. Now in this OCD the base edge only is CD and this OD and CD are the vertical edges. So CD is making an angle of 30 degree with VP. So what we can do is you can take the line command and you can take some point, suppose this point. So better way, first I'll just rotate it. First I'll just copy it. So I'll select the figure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'll say copy. Suppose this is the base point, you move it and you want it to be here. So place. So you got it there, escape. Now what you want is, now I want this line to be at an angle of 30 degrees. So now you just rotate the figure. Now to rotate the figure, what you can do is, you can go here and say rotate. So you can select the complete figure, right? Hit enter. Now this is the base point I have, and now angle will be how much? Angle will be 300. Have you got angle 300? Because it was clockwise, so we have to provide the complete angle. What, 360 minus 60? 60 by 60, then only this will be coming 30. Once it is done, we can just verify whether we got that angle or not. So you can go to the utilities, measure angle. If I select this line and this line, it will tell us angle is 30 degrees. So this line, this particular figure we got at an angle of 30 degrees. We can just move this figure a bit, select this, move from this to here. Now again you can do the same what we did earlier. You just project all the points up. Before that I'll just name the points. This is O, this is E, B, B, C, B, A, and F. Once it is done, again turn on this thing. Now you go to the layer command, you select projection line command and just project it up. So now I'll project this, then now I can project point wise. For example, this is A point and A point is here also. So I'll take this cursor up, you will go to this A point and then trace out that point. You can do that. Yes. So I'm getting that trace point. So this A we got. Similarly B point. Where is B? B is here. So if I trace out that, I can get B point, then C point. I'll get this up. C point will be here, then B point. B point is again here, then E point. E point is here for this line, so you can just get that. Then F point from here to this line. So You can get that point. Even that you can verify by drawing the lines from this side as well. So automatically you will get that like this. If you don't do, this is always the way to do it. Right. Now once it is done, I can just name it again. So copy O. So this will be my, I'll just turn off the O snap. This will be my O dash. Then copy. Where is A? So A dash. Copy F dash. It is coming from here and here. So this will be F dash. Then B dash. It is coming from here. So this will be B dash. Then E dash. It is coming from here. It is coming from here. So this is E dash. Then C dash. Copy. It is coming from here and it's here. So this is C dash and D dash. Copy. It will be here. Once it is done, again I'll go to the layers and finally I'll join the outermost point first. So draw line command. I'll turn out on snap from here to here to here to here to here to here to here and here. So outermost points we have joined. Now tell me, if you're looking from this side, since this is the front view, top view will see from this side to get the front view. So if you are looking from this side, apex is towards me, means base won't be visible for me. In that case, whatever point is left in the base, that will be hidden. So I can go to the line command, select hidden line command. So automatically D to E line will be hidden. Now, since that is hidden, the base is hidden, it means that the remaining points, for example, O dash A dash, B dash, O dash B dash, and O dash F dash also will be visible. So if you see, the final figure will appear like this. So this will be your final figure for the question. Hope you have understood. Now I'll just repeat the question again. What was the question? The question was, hexagonal pyramid with base side 30 mm, axis height 70 mm, is resting on HP on one of its triangular face, such that the base edge containing in the triangular face is 30° inclined to VP. Draw projection of solid. So this was the answer for the question then. Hope you understood the question. Thank you.